Let's take a look at how to set up keyword alerts in Ahrefs. Now, if you don't already have an account, Ahrefs is a paid tool, so you'll need to get signed up with a subscription before you can even use this tool. That being said, once you are in your Ahrefs account, there will be this More tab here, and you can see it says Alerts. All you do is click on Alerts, and it should show, actually it'll default to the backlinks alerts. But if you go over here to new keywords, then it will show any domains that you're already tracking keyword alerts for. Now, any projects that you add to the dashboard, it's usually going to add those in here by default. I have 5 of them in here by default. So if you want to add a new one, all you do is come up here to the right-hand corner where it says new alert, click on that. It's going to open a pop-up that looks like this. You can see it already says 5 of 5 available, so it's not going to let me add any more, but it's super straightforward. Like literally all you do is add in the domain here. You can choose how you want it to, this basically means anything before or after the domain, it will count. So if it's like HTTPS or www, this one, it won't count www, it'll just count the core domain and anything after it. And then this gives you some more flexibility with the URL and prefix. It'll also allow you to choose the country that you want to track in and the volume. So you can have a range here. Like let's say if you don't really care and you want to track all the keywords, just leave it open. And that's what it'll do by default. But if you put a range in here, like let's say I only want to see keywords that are, I don't know, you could probably just leave this blank actually, from 100 to whatever. So a minimum of 100 searches per month. So I don't really care about keywords that are getting 10 searches a month or whatever the case may be, right? You can also check the interval. Because of the plan I'm on, I just have monthly as an option. And then we can choose to send it as an email. When we click add here, that's going to add it to our list. And then we should be able to receive reports on a monthly basis when new keywords are attained. And ultimately, it's just when your site starts ranking for a new keyword, it's going to let you know, right? That's kind of the whole idea here. So pretty straightforward setup, but can be very helpful. If you don't want to be in here tracking and checking all the time, you can just wait to see when new keywords are added. There's even the option to track backlinks or set up alerts for backlinks and mentions. This is going to be more like when your brand gets mentioned online. So those can be helpful alerts as well. But either way, hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.